Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 6A and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. Here let's choose about phone, the first option from the following list. Now let's find and select the MIUI version and let's tap a couple of times on MIUI version. As you can see, you are now a developer. So now you can look for the developer options right here. The best way to find it is to choose additional settings, and here let's tap on developer options. As you can see here, you've got the list of all developer features that you can use on that device. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking, so you can allow the bootloader to be unlocked by using that switcher. You can also enable USB debugging. Let's read the instruction, tab OK. You may also install apps via USB. You can select mock location app, enable view attribute inspection, and use other developer features on the following Xiaomi device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.